Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network. Hi, this is Amit Doshi, and I wanted to thank each and every one of our listeners. It's been 2 years since I founded IVM, and it's been an amazing 2 years. We wanted to learn a little bit more about who is listening to our shows, and so we put together a short survey. The survey is anonymous, and we aren't going to be collecting any personal information. I would really appreciate it if you could take a couple of minutes out of your day and go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and fill it out. Thanks, and please keep listening.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to the new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. Yes, it's a new week, it's a new day, and we wanted this. Vivek Krishnan is with me. We wanted a shift from T20 ODIs to Test matches. We'll be covering Sri Lanka versus Bangladesh. A good side, both of them. Bangladesh के लिए ऐसा ही कुछ चाहिए था, श्रीलंका टाइप opponents.
हमारे लिए भी कुछ ऐसे ही चाहिए था. तो, मैं ये मानता हूँ कि like you pointed out, not a shift in the format, but surely a shift in luck would help
what
us.
We require.
Yeah, so pretty rough weekend for whatever reasons. Luck was not on our side. We did fumble with Morgan, tried to overcompensate again, didn't go our way. But that's how the format works. That's how fantasy cricket works.
Yeah. It's okay. I think it's one-off day. पता है काफी टाइम से बोल रहे हैं, but still it's one-off day. You don't know even. I mean, last time Joe Root was our captain.
Yeah.
And he flopped like 4 runs. And yesterday Ben Stokes was our captain.
So we didn't pick Martin Guptill, he scored a century. We picked him, he scored 4. We picked Morgan, he scored 7. Dropped him, scored a century.
Kamran Akmal के बारे में बात नहीं करते.
Anyway.
Yeah, moving ahead, so we'll be looking at test matches now. काफी series में test matches है. Sri Lanka will be playing Bangladesh. South Africa will be playing New Zealand. काफी difficult है इनका test team, अपना fantasy 11 fit करना. But we are here. Vivek Krishnan is with me. So Vivek, why don't you start?
Yes. So before we get to South Africa and New Zealand, let's focus on Sri Lanka Bangladesh series. The first test match obviously starts tomorrow in Galle. I want to talk about the conditions. It can rain, as you've seen in Sri Lanka. Kabhi bhi barish ho sakta hai, and the wicket is going to be pretty dry. It's going to take a lot of spin. We have seen test matches getting over early on the 4th morning or even 5th day. So it is going to assist the spinners, no question about it. Both teams also have some quality spinners in their side.
Yeah.
So I think this test match, I don't see too much help for the seamers. But all in all, I think you have to pick those little, as they say, utility cricketers. Somebody like a Shakib, somebody like a Dilruwan Pereira, somebody like Mehdi Hassan Miraz. These guys have done wonderfully well. So you try picking them. Obviously, all this is if the budget permits otherwise. But I think this is going to be a fairly tricky round because both teams have not yet confirmed their playing 11.
Right.
So we are here presuming, speculating. So it's going to be interesting. But what I can tell you is if you pick a batsman top order from both teams, I think it should help you. Because if you see the makeup of the side, there is Shakib, there is Mahmudullah, Tamim Iqbal. These guys have been getting all the runs.
Yeah.
And for Sri Lanka, I think somebody like a Dikwela, who has been drafted into the team after a wonderful time in South Africa. So he's going to be there. Upul Taranga, I'm not too sure if he's going to find a place in the playing 11, Nikhil. I don't know.
Okay.
Kusal Mendes is their best batsman. Then you have the lower order, somebody like a Gunaratna, somebody like a Dilruwan Pereira. Dinesh Chandimal cracked 190 a few days ago.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting.
But I'll tell you what, a few weeks back, Sri Lanka toured South Africa, and you were making a point that the team will be different from what it was in South Africa.
It has to be. So we saw Lahiru Kumara, we saw Suranga Lakmal, we saw Nuwan Kulasekera, a lot of these guys, Nuwan Pradeep also. So I'm not too sure they'll go with the same team. I think only 2 seamers. And one, in my opinion, Lahiru Kumara has to start well. This youngster bowled with a lot of pace. He's got a great attitude as a fast bowler. So he has to play, obviously. Suranga Lakmal could give him company with the new ball because like we have seen about 8 to 10 overs, and then the shine is gone.
Yeah.
Once the shine disappears, you will see Rangana coming in, Dhananjay De Silva, somebody like a Pereira. All these guys are going to chip in. And so is the case with Bangladesh. Mustafizur Rahman, Taskin Ahmed, Kamrul Islam Rabbi, and then you see spinners in Mehdi Hasan, Shakib Al Hasan, and Mahmudullah. So these are the guys.
Bangladesh is a very, they have changed in past couple of months. They are to New Zealand as well as in India.
They
did
were not
pretty well.
humiliated in India,
Yep.
Nikhil, which was a little surprising. They did pretty okay for their standard. And I expect them to compete hard in Sri Lanka.
Yes,
Don't
exactly.
be surprised if Sri Lanka get beaten. Because at the end of the day, even Bangladesh love playing in those conditions.
Yeah.
And Sri Lanka today are not a formidable team at all.
Yep.
Yes, they have a champion spinner in Rangana Herath. But look, you also have to get 300, 350 on the board.
Yep.
You can get 20 wickets to win a test match, but if the runs aren't flowing from the bat, there is very little you can do to save a game.
Yeah, true.
And that's where I think Sri Lanka will have some concern. Having said that, when you are touring, obviously you are the underdogs. So it's going to be interesting. On the fantasy front, I would say, if you look at
one player you missed out, Mushfiqur Rahman. He played really
Mushfiqur
good.
Rahim, I think.
Rahim, sorry.
Rahim.
Yeah.
Now, the interesting thing is he's not going to keep.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. So, Liton Das is going to be keeping.
okay.
And this is obviously because of injury. They are trying to play him as a batsman.
Okay.
So, everybody out there who's thinking he's going to be keeping, no, he's not. Which is why I probably might pick Jinesh Chandimal.
Okay.
Because you expect a few stumpings, you expect a few catches of the spinners. And when that happens, you are losing out on a lot of points. Liton Das could bat 6-7, get you some 30, 40, a few stumpings here and there, but you go for class and experience. So that's why, if not Rahim with the gloves, I would go for Dinesh Chandimal.
Okay, so you are expecting a 20 wicket, both the sides, dono bar lega.
Yes. Even if there is rainfall, I do expect a result in this test match. And it's going to be interesting. So this is my analysis. I see Dickwella opening the batting. Because
Even in
he did-
test?
Even in test matches. I see him opening with Karunaratne because Kaushal Silva has been dropped.
Okay, yeah.
So these two open, obviously with Kusal Mendes coming number 3. Number 4 could be a toss-up between Dinesh Chandimal. I think he will slot in at 4. 5 could be a Taranga or a Gunaratna.
Okay.
You don't know who. And then as you come down the order, there is Dhananjay De Silva, who's a permanent fixture.
Yeah.
Then you talk about the two all-rounders. Not all-rounders, I would say more of bowling all-rounders in Rangana Herath and Dilruwan Pereira. You need two spinners also. Then you talk about two pacers. There is, like I said, Lahiru Kumara and Suranga Lakmal. There is one more spot left. Now you can either play this veteran spinner from Sri Lanka, that is Pushpa Kumara, who might make his debut after, I think he's got about 300, 400 wickets in first class cricket.
Okay.
And he spent a lot of time on the domestic circuit. Obviously, he needs to come in. I don't know if they're going to expose him in the very first game. Somebody like a Lakshan Sandakan, who has this mystery, could be given a nod ahead, you know.
Yeah.
And that's where I feel you don't take a
What
chance.
about the Sanjaya guy? Is there?
Sanjaya is there. Sanjaya, but again, he's more of a pacer.
Pacer, yeah.
But you already have Suranga, you already have Nuwan Pradeep, so many guys. So I don't see him playing at all.
Okay.
So that's where I feel it's going to be 3 spinners and 2 seamers.
Okay.
But when it comes to the final spot, you don't know, always guessing. Sometimes analysis can go wrong. Sometimes logic takes a backseat. So why take a chance? Go with Dilruwan Herath and Lahiru Kumar.
So you're
It's as
going
simple
heavy
as
on
that.
the bowling side?
Not really. I would fill up my batting and all-rounder spot. I would not pick more than 3 bowlers. But again, if the budget is a little
But then
funny,
you have Saqib, you have Mohammedullah.
so that is a challenge. So you have Mahmudullah, you have Dilruwan Pereira, you have Shakib Al Hasan. These 3 guys, how do you fit them all in? And Dhananjay De Silva.
Yep.
I would pick Dhananjay for sure. I would pick Shakib for sure.
Yep.
There is going to be a toss-up between Dilruwan and Mahmudullah. But if you pick Mahmudullah, you can't pick Tamim. There is a budget
issue, yeah.
Yes, because if you pick Tamim, then it makes little sense for you to pick Soumya Sarkar.
Okay.
Then Shabbir Rahman. So these are the issues because I honestly feel the Sri Lankan batsmen will have more say on this wicket.
Yeah.
Yes, you need Bangladesh batsmen as a backup, and that's where I feel somebody like a Shakib, somebody like a Mahmudullah can bat really, really well. But like I said, the budget is going to be crazy. It's not going to be a straightforward thing. The other point I want to make is Taskin Ahmed, Mustafizur Rahman, or Mehdi Hasan Miraz. If you Mehdi Hasan is priced higher.
Yeah.
I won't pick Taskin, Nikhil, because we tried picking him.
Predominantly, it's a spin track.
It is, and that's where sometimes I don't know, Mustafizur Rahman playing test match after a long time, the injury concern, fitness issue, how much the wicket is going to be responsive, all this I don't know. So probably Mehdi Hasan, but budget, man. This is going to be a problem. And I think what I can tell you here is, as long as you are sure about a playing 11, you can pick anybody. Because if you leave Tamim, if you pick Mohammedullah, I wouldn't laugh at your team, or vice versa.
Yeah.
Honestly, tell me, okay, if you were to play with someone who has picked Mohammedullah and not Tamim, what would your reaction be?
Yeah, it's simple. Like, Mohammedullah will ball.
It's as simple as that.
If they are at par players.
Exactly. If somebody doesn't pick Dhananjay De Silva and somebody picks Karunaratne, will you be laughing at him? Because Karunaratne will open. The last match he scored against, I think he scored against South Africa. The last innings was a 50. It was a fluent 50. You can't drop him. So these are the things that...
In fact, in Bangladesh, if they want to put 300 on board, it has to be Tamim Iqbal to, go ahead with the runs.
Yeah, Tamim Iqbal is
But
there.
then, in this match, you won't go for a one-sided team, right?
Surely not.
Okay.
You cannot. You can't go for that 7-4 combination. You have to go for a 6-5 or a 5-6. One way or the other.
Okay.
So that's where I
So
feel...
you are ready with the team?
Almost, man. I'm not.
Okay, so Pehla draft.
Pehla draft hai. It is, like I said, I'll tell you the confirmed players. Dhananjay De Silva is there. Dinesh Chandimal. I gave you a proper logic as to why we are picking Chandimal ahead of Rahim and Liton Das. Because if you're telling me a keeper is not going to contribute with the gloves, how much... What is the sense?
Yeah.
Unless he's an Adam Gilchrist or a Quinton de Kock or an MS Dhoni.
Yeah.
Then you don't pick these guys. So, batting
But
again...
he'll be in the starting 11.
He will be. He is going to play. He's going to...
But then you need to also check his record.
He's
Recent record.
Recent record.
Yeah.
If we are not wrong, he scored a century against India.
Yep. And over there...
And in the practice match also, he has scored some runs.
Yeah.
So you can.
And even in New Zealand, he scored.
Even in New Zealand, yeah, till that blow in, I think that was a head blow.
Head blow.
Yeah. So he's done well. So you obviously can pick him again. See, this is not laughable. You pick a Morgan, you drop an Ali. You pick somebody like a Taylor, you drop a Guptill. So at the end of the day, as long as the stars are laughing on you, you have the fortune on your side.
Yeah.
If they are not, I don't know.
Okay. Starting 11?
Starting 11. I expect Soumya Sharkar and Tamim to open.
Okay.
One down could be Mominul Haq. Oh yeah, I haven't spoken about this guy. This little guy really can be dogged. He can really grind the opposition down. He's not going to get you quick runs, but he does that role of a Cheteshwar Pujara. Not comparing the two.
Just an analogy.
Yes. So he is surely a part of our fantasy team.
Okay.
There is no question, because you look at his record, Nikhil. Time and again, there is a 35-40 coming from somewhere. And in a test match, if you're telling me somebody is going to get me about 50 runs for sure in 2 innings, I would take him.
Yeah.
I would straight away pick him, because he's done well in the
Warm-ups.
only one warm-up match.
Yeah.
He did well against India. You pick him. And then I expect Mahmudullah, I expect Shabir Rahman, Liton Das, Mushfiqur, Kamrul Islam Rabbi, Taskin, Mustafizur and Mehdi Hasan Miraz.
Okay.
In Sri Lanka, we have already spoken about.
Yes. So coming back to fantasy.
4 players who could be benched from Sri Lanka. This is much easier. Rather than talking about the 11, you talk about the missing 4. I would say Pushpa Kumara, I would say Upul Taranga, Nuwan Pradeep, 3, and that favorite of yours, Sanjay, what's his name, Vikum or somebody. Yeah, that guy. So these 4 might miss out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the first draft of fantasy 11?
First draft, like I said, I would only talk about the players who will make into our team. I said Shakib. I spoke about Mominul Haq, Chandimal, Dikwela, Karunaratne Mendes, Rangana Herath, Lahiru Kumara. 2 missing. I'm not sure.
Okay.
We'll have to wait and see.
Budget के ऊपर depend करता है.
बहुत कुछ.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
Keep a track on our
But
website.
don't make a one-sided team.
Yeah.
Please
Yeah.
don't do that. Yeah.
Okay.
And captains, you have a lot of options.
Yes.
Everybody would say Shakib.
Shakib, yeah.
Somebody would say Rangana Herath. Not a bad choice. Not a bad choice. Somebody might say Kusal Mendes. Not a bad choice. You might even see Tamim Iqbal. Don't laugh.
But then Shakib makes a lot of sense.
Shakib makes a lot of sense because he's a complete cricketer.
Yeah.
He's going to bowl twice. He's also going to bat twice if there is no rough weather around.
Shakib अगर इंडिया से होता है या ऑस्ट्रेलिया से होता है या साउथ अफ्रीका से होता है, he would have been such a celebrated player.
No question. गलत country में. गलत country में. So, I think, okay, I'll see this. One of the greatest quotes I've read is of Warren Buffett. I follow him and he said this: the reason I'm lucky, the reason I'm rich is because I was born in the USA and not in Bangladesh.
Yes.
Okay.
Was it Buffett or was it
Warren
Bill Gates?
Buffett. I read that book, I remember.
Yeah. Okay, on that note, थोड़ा economic side में रखते हैं, finance side में रखते हैं. On fantasy
Finance
cricket,
helps, man. Finance helps.
Fantasy cricket, log on to our website, thefangarage.com. I think by evening the article will be up.
Should be. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Our Fantasy 11 would be up. You can keep an eye on our Twitter handle, TFG Fantasy 11.
And we'll be bringing the South Africa, New Zealand.
Also.
Yes, the following, because it starts at 3:30, Nikhil. Morning, not tomorrow, day after.
Day after. So we'll be
Yes.
having our podcast as well.
Yeah.
On that. Facebook, Fantasy Pundit, and definitely on our podcast on YouTube, Audio Boom, SoundCloud, iTunes. Download this app called as IVM Podcast on Android and Apple. You can get notifications on the new episode that we make. They also make other good episodes. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Hey man, just help me out, man. I need some podcast, man. I haven't had a fix in a week. Just need some.
Don't you worry about it. I got podcast galore for you, man. Just go to ivmpodcast.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna check it out.